May I ask question? Yes, of course. What are you doing now? I'm reading a book. What's your name? My name is John. Where are you from? I'm from England. Are you a student? Yes, I'm student. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is biology. Why do you like biology? Actually, I want to doctor. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. How many family members do you have? I have six family members. Which school are you going? I'm going to public school. Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mr. Rogers. How many students in your school? There are 300. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Mrs. Smith. Where is he living? He is living near my house. Near my house. Where does your father work? My father works in office. How many brothers sisters do you have? I have one brother and two sisters. What does your brother do? He is studying in class ninth. What does your mother do? She is housewife. She is housewife. Which game do you like? I like to play volleyball. Do you go to ground? Yes, I go to ground. When you go to ground? I go to ground at 9 o'clock. Are you watching TV? Yes, I watch drama. When you get up in the morning? I get up 9 o'clock. Do you read story? Yes, I read story. Thank you for your time. You are welcome. Thank you for watching my videos. For more video, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.